Hey, this is Daniel from Fluigent, Germany, and I do my PhD thesis at the Leibniz Institute of Photonic Technology. My main research topic is the analyzing of honey. I'm located in the microfluidics group to investigate bioparticles like pollen, algae. Did you know that 40% of the honey sold in Germany is actually a fake? Inside such a fake honey, there is a mix of pollen coming from different countries, and my research topic is to find if this is the case. The state of the art for honey analyzing is the counting by hand. You have an expert sitting on a microscope and analyzing the different pollen types. It needs a lot of time, and you need an expert that know all the different pollen types. You see, they are looking very different, but sometimes are very similar, and this can be a problem. I use this small microfluidic devices in combination with such pumps. This enables a high throughput of particles, and you see here the cells have the same velocity by passing through this microfluidic channel with a high imaging quality, and you see they are looking very different from different directions, and this is the reason why we can't use one image for classification. This is the reason why we have to use a series of the same pollen grain to identify and classify them by convolutional neural networks. This is my microfluidic setup, and this consists of an illumination combined with a microfluidic chip connected with these pumps and a dual head microscope for analyzing the particles. If you want to have a deeper insight in our research topics, you can visit our website from the PhD to find more.